everyone, I'm Rannoy and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a balding full lace wig without manually hand tying all of the knots onto the lace. And as a bonus, I'm also going to be including a wholesale hair vendor review in the video as well. So in this video, I'm going to try and rescue this $2,000 King Kylie unit by sewing a lace silk-based closure onto the top to try and cover the bald patch. As you can see here, I'm just sewing the closure directly onto the wig. I haven't cut any of the lace of the actual wig off, and that's just because I'm not crazy about the quality of this closure. Now, what I've done in the front is I've sewn it down with clear fishing line so that you can't see the string through the lace. And I'll be redoing this again once I get a better closure. And at that point, I'll decide whether or not I want to cut the lace just to have a flatter and smoother fit of the wig, or if I want to just keep it as is to try and keep as much of the fullness of the wig itself as possible. Now, as I've mentioned in the title, I'm going to be doing a bonus at the end of this video about the wholesale supplier I got this closure from. They are called BZONE, and I'll have all their information later on in the video during the review part. So stick around for that if you are interested. So here I'm just styling the wig to see if the closure will blend, how it's going to look, if it's going to be too bumpy, because this isn't a traditional closure replacement like you would do with a regular wig. This is a full lace unit, and I just wanted to make sure it was going to sit nice and flat and be undetectable once I actually put the wig on. So this is the wig once it's been styled. It's a shame that the quality of the closure is just not there. Otherwise, I would have loved to try it on for you guys. This way is just so much faster than individually hand tying all of the knots to fill the bald patches. So this is the bonus review I promised you guys at the beginning of the video. The vendor is called BZONE. This is their profile up here. You can find them on Instagram. That's how I got in touch with them. Now, they were very quick to respond. They answered all of my questions. However, after I placed my order, which was for a HD lace closure, the salesperson got back in touch with me and said that they don't have HD, so instead they're gonna send me medium brown lace. So already I think that's very unprofessional, because the same sales girl did take my order for the HD closure, and if they don't have the product in stock, they should not be taking the order and having me send them money for a product that they don't have. So after she told me that they didn't have the HD lace, I asked what grade the hair was. Now, she said that on an HD closure, the lace would be, the hair would be 10A, but with a medium brown closure, the hair would be 8A. So when I asked for a refund of the price difference, she said that she'd made a mistake and that actually she'd given me the correct price. So this is the Freedom Couture King Kylie unit that we've just replaced the closure on. So I'm just gonna put it back on here so that you guys can get a better idea of the quality of this hair from wholesale vendor BZONE. So what I've done here is I've just separated the closure from the rest of the wig, just to show you guys, like, so you can get an idea about the quality of this hair. And like, so many of these short hairs, and it goes the entire length of the closure. There's only a few strands at the end that are actually 20 inches. The rest of it is just all shorter hairs. As you can see underneath here, like all this frizz is just short hairs. And this is the tip, and this is how much 20-inch hair you get in this closure because all of the hairs, better against the white of my dress, I think. All of the hairs are just short. So BZONE, if you're looking for a wholesale hair supplier, BZONE Hair, do not let them be your supplier.